suma mbokki YouTube channel bi ma ngi nuyu ñëpp nekk ñëpp sa tur sa sant góor a jigéen ak nijaay suma nijaay tamit ñuy seetaan YouTube suma YouTube bi te ma ngi ñëw toog domoday Findi bu ànda ganaar. Well, good morning, my YouTube family, brothers and sisters, and uncles who always watch my YouTube family, my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna cook a local West African dish called Findi with peanut butter. I'm gonna cook it with chicken drumsticks. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients I have here for today. On this plate here, I have okra, and that's the chicken drumstick, and that's the Findi itself. And here I have spring onion, scotch bonnet, fresh tomato, brown onion. This locally we call it jahatu. Jahatu, it looks like tomato, but it's not tomato. It's a little bit bitter, not that bitter. And here we have tomato paste. We have peanut butter. We have black pepper. We have natural sea salt, but you can use salt of your choice. And here you have the local food processor, call it mortar. I'm gonna use that to grind the chili, onion, spring onion. That's the onion I chop. Onion, brown onion, spring onion, chili. Now I'm gonna put it inside the mortar. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt or any salt of your choice, just a little bit, and add black pepper, ground black pepper, little bit. Then I have to grind it with the stick. That's the fresh tomato. I'm gonna cross it with my hand. That's why I put on gloves. Now I'm gonna cross it with my hand like this before I put it inside the mortar. Okay, now that's the fresh tomato across. Now I'm gonna add it inside the mortar and grind it together with the brown onion, spring onion, scotch bonnet, chili. Now I'm gonna add it. Then after adding, I have to cross all together. Mix it together. But you have to be careful because it can be messy. It can make all your flour messy. So you have to be careful. Do it gently, gentle. The gas is on. Now I'm gonna add my chicken drumsticks in the pot. Then add my ingredients: the brown onion, fresh tomato, spring onions. Add it inside. Add in the pot. Then rinse the mortar with fresh water, fresh cold water. And add it on the pot. Then add more water. Then bring it to boil. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the tomato paste. Then after adding tomato paste, add my seasoning, salt and pepper, and any seasoning of your taste. But salt and pepper, you have to do that. Then you can add anything, any seasoning, all purpose, magic cubes, anything. You feel like you like it. Now I'm gonna add my sea salt, but you can use any salt of your choice. Normally I'll put 2 spoons, but you can put up to your taste. Then add black pepper. Black pepper also you can put 1 teaspoon, or up to your taste. Then after stir it together, mix it together. Then leave it to boil. Before that, I have to add what we call jahatu, that look like tomato. Because of its chicken, chicken is very easy to cook. If it is meat, I'm gonna leave the meat cook half and half. Then I can add this. The peanut butter is almost the last one. Now I'm gonna put water. I'm gonna add water on my steamer. Let me add little bit more. Then put my steamer. The reason why I put this white cloth you see, because the steamer's hole is a little bit big, and the Findi is some tiny stuff, so it's small, so that I'll not lose all my Findi. Now I'm gonna put all my Findi there and cover it. And also you have to rinse it. It's worse, but you have to rinse it again to make it wet, a little bit wet. Now I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna do like this so that I'll not lose the cloth. Yeah, then cover with the pot, maybe for about 25 minutes. Change it, mix it, do it again, maybe 3 times, then it's ready. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the peanut butter with hot water. Normally you should use a whisker. Add a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna add the peanut butter and mix. You see, if you mix it, you're gonna have this like liquid. I'm gonna add it inside. Then you can rinse your bowl with water. add it. Now leave it to cook until the peanut butter start to you see like oil coming out. Then it's ready. Now I'm gonna leave it to cook. Now I'm gonna add three Scott bonnet chili because I like spice, but I like spicy, but it's optional. If you want, you cannot add it. But me, I like spicy food, hot food. I like hot food. So I'm gonna add this to cook it with the peanut butter soup. Now I cover it. Okay, now I'm gonna take out my Findi. This process you have to do it three times, twice like this. Then the third one you're gonna add your okra, the one you chop okra. Now you take it out, mix it, put it back again. Yeah. Now to put back the cloth. And now I'm gonna mix it. Then I put it back again. Okay. Now this is the chop okra. You can use you can chop it with your hand, or you can use food processor, a blender. Me, I use hand to chop it. Now I'm gonna add it on the Findi and cover it. After I'm gonna mix it with the Findi together. Then the Findi is ready to serve with the peanut butter soup. After adding, I spread it all over the Findi. Then I'll cover it, cover the steamer, so that the Findi can be cooked a little bit. Now I'm gonna cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should be ready. Now the Findi is ready. You can see inside how it look. You can recognize there's okra. Now I'm gonna this is put it in the bowl, plastic container, then serve it. My peanut butter soup and the Findi is ready now. Now I'm gonna dish it and have my lunch. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share the video with family and friends. And that's the Findi on the plate with the what we call jahatu in Gambia. It looks like tomato, but it's not tomato. And that's the sauce, Scott bonnet on top, and the peanut butter soup and the chicken inside.